Welcome to Quick Revision. Today, a quick revision capsule on Section 14 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Rule against perpetuity. The word perpetuity means forever or for an indefinite period. Section 14 is based on a simple principle. Property should not be tied up indefinitely. The law does not permit a transfer that makes property inalienable forever. Property must remain freely transferable from one person to another and from one generation to the next. Therefore, Section 14 limits the period for which the vesting of an interest may be postponed. This is known as the rule against perpetuity. You may also come across other names for this rule: rule against remoteness, rule against double possibilities, rule in Whitby versus Mitchell. Now, let us understand the basic idea with an example. Suppose A transfers property to B for life and then to B's children, their children, and so on, generation after generation. Such a transfer would keep the property tied up indefinitely and restricted free transfer. Section 14 prohibits such arrangements. The object of Section 14 is to prevent property from being locked up forever and to ensure its free circulation in the society. Another important point is that the transferor may create life interest in favor of any number of living persons who are alive at the date of transfer. Under Section 13, property may be transferred for the benefit of an unborn person. However, under Section 14, the law does not permit the creation of further remote interest that would postpone vesting indefinitely. That is why Section 13 and 14 should always be read together. Now let us look at the important exceptions. The rule against perpetuity does not apply to transfer for the benefit of the public, to provisions made for payment of the transferor's debts, to leases containing a covenant for renewal, to agreements based on future contingencies, to agreements of preemption. Quick exam recap. Perpetuity means an indefinite or endless period. Section 14 embodies the rule against perpetuity. Property cannot be made inalienable forever. The object is to prevent property from being tied up indefinitely. Life interest may be created in favor of living persons. Section 13 and 14 should be read together. The rule does not apply to public benefit transfers, certain leases, and preemption agreements. That's your quick revision for today. Keep listening, keep revising, and write your exams with confidence. See you soon in the next QLR capsule.